Wow. Okay, so immediately spun up the back tyre. Immediately spun up the back tyre. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, shit! Oh my God!